Hello students. Today now we are going to solve the question number 10, okay, of our final accounts. This is also a very good question. In this question you have current account given. Students, always remember, whenever current account is given in the question, then we will be preparing current account instead of capital account, and we will be writing the balance of the capital account in the balance sheet like other figures, okay? But we won't be drawing the entire capital account as we did in the earlier two sums, okay? So in this sum we will be drawing the current account, okay? This sum is important on the point of view of this adjustment, okay? Love and Kush are the partners of the partnership firm. They distribute 60% profit in the ratio 3 is to 2. Okay, for a ratio for distributing 60% profit is 3 is to 2, and remaining 40% is 2 is to 1. Students, remember, we will be having a working note specially for this part, okay? So, and in the question it is given that prepare profit and loss appropriation account, current account of the partners, and balance sheet. That means that we have to prepare only these three accounts. We are not required to prepare trading and profit and loss account, okay? So this is very easy. Yes, okay. So now let us take a note of the adjustments, okay? Interest on capital 6%, okay? Put a figure on the capital account balance, okay? Over here it is written as loves capital and drawings. So every one of us know that the debit balance is drawings and the credit balance is capital, okay? So the credit balance is of capital. So on this balance we have to give interest on capital, okay? And on drawings we will be giving interest up to 10%, okay? Yes, provide 10% interest on the opening balance of the current account, okay? So students, oh my god, what has this happened? Yes, when you take note of the love's current account balance, it is credit, yes, but Kush current account balance is debit. Yes, you all must be thinking, why this is so? Students, partners can have debit current account balance. We studied this in the chapter 1. Yes. So, what we will be doing of the interest that is to be provided on the opening balance of the current account? Yes, the debit current account balance figure will be debit interest figure. Yes, the figure of interest will be debit and the credit figure is credit. Over here 8,000, that means 10% of 8,000 is 800, and over here 1200. 1200 is debit figure and 800 will be credit figure. Okay, students? Yes. Moving ahead, monthly salary of rupees 1800 is outstanding. Very simple, okay? Payable to Khush, okay? There is a monthly salary payable to Khush, and that is rupees 1800, which is outstanding, okay? So we will be having two effects. Yes, in the P&L appropriation account debit side, that is our expense, and partner's current account. Take note of this current account in Khush credit side, okay? After information of above mentioned adjustment, after it should be incorporation, okay? There is mistake over here. Instead of information it should be incorporation. After incorporation of the above mentioned adjustments, we have to provide 10% commission to Kush, okay? So what we will be doing, we will be providing all the adjustments, then we will be taking the balance of the P&L appropriation account, and then on the net balance, that is total of credit side less debit side, the balance comes, we will be providing 10% commission on it, and we will be providing it to the kush. Okay, and after that we will be making the adjustment of divisible profit. Okay students, chalo, we have already discussed love's capital and drawings. Yes, this is drawings amount, this is capital amount. What about the current account? We have discussed about it. Yes, we have to prepare only P&L appropriation account in this sum. So the balance of the P&L account has been given. Students, if in any sum during exams it is not told what to prepare and the amount and the figure of the P&L account is already given, that means you have to prepare only P&L appropriation account. Okay. So stock is given. Stock will be in balance sheet. Yes, balance sheet, asset side. Okay, so I'm writing BA. Yes. What about the prepaid insurance premium? This is also balance sheet, asset side. What about billing? Balance sheet, asset side. Okay. Debtors and creditors. The debit balance is debtors and the credit balance is creditors. Okay. Yes. Moving ahead. Cash and bank balance. Oh, students, are you seeing? We have one balance in debit side and other in credit side. How can this happen? Cash and bank balance both are debit balance. It can happen, students, when you have bank overdraft. Okay, the bank balance of bank overdraft is always credit. Cash can never have a credit balance. Okay, so the debit balance 4,800 is of cash, and the other one in the credit side is of bank OD. Okay, we have bills payable that will go in balance sheet. Yes, balance sheet, liability side. We have mortgage loan that will go in balance sheet, liability side. We have goodwill. This is our asset. It will go in balance sheet, asset side. Okay. Yes, outstanding wages. This is our liability. It will be going in balance sheet, liability side. Receivable rent. This is our asset. So it will be going in balance sheet, asset side. Commission received in advance. Okay, this is advance received commission. So this will be going in. Yes, students, it is advanced received commission. So this will be going in balance sheet, liability side. Okay. Bad debts reserve, it will be deducted from the, yes, from the, yes, it will be deducted from the debtors. Okay. What about the patents? It is our asset. Yes. So it will be in balance sheet asset side. And what about the furniture? It is also our asset. So it will be in balance sheet asset side. Okay, students. Now we will be placing all the respective figures in our accounts, and then we will be solving the adjustments. Okay, do the same. I will be ready with the second part with the ready figures. Okay, thank you.